Yeah, yeah.
Fine. So package is a collection of what? What we can say? Collection of related classes and interface as a single unit. So we have also we have an option of like creating a project. Inside the project we can create a package. Inside the package we can create a classes. Okay. Now this is one definition. Definition one. We have another definition of the package. Now let's see what is the another definition. It says we can also define package like it is a folder. So in the folder contains, like we already know, right, how to create a folder. Inside a folder, we can create another folder. We can keep many files. So it is acting as a folder. So and it contains what dot class files representing what it is representing. Again, same thing, classes and interfaces. Okay.
Okay.
So this is called this is we can say it is as a collection of related classes and interface, or we can say it is a folder. How we do generally create a folders. That is what the definition. Now examples, we have examples of packages, like inbuilt packages we do have. So to perform input and output, we have something called util package. Util util package, or we can say that yeah, util util package we have used. Yeah, we have used it also, right? Yeah. So those are the packages. Now in this, what we have in packages, what exactly we do have? Yes, in packages we have two things. One
Classes.
is what it has,
Classes.
classes plus
Interface.
interface. So this we need to remember exactly. Yes. Now, once this is done, we have something like advantages of it. Advantages of packages. Why do use packages? Like first advantage is modularity. What it is?
Yes.
Modularity. So what is the meaning of modularity? For example, if I wanted to create a bank application, BANK, bank application. Okay. So whenever I'm creating a bank application, hmm, see here. Now, this is what my application will be. This is totally, I can give a name as what? Bank app. Bank, bank app. Yeah, this is my bank app, and I'm just dividing it. I'm just dividing it into the modules. So in the bank app, we have a few features. So what is this? This is accounts. This is transactions here. This is for transactions module, and this is for loan, like a loan section. Okay. Now again, in this again we do have something like classes. Here it is. This is one class. Dot class files. Here it is related. This is related to what? Accounts. Okay. And here it is about transactions classes. Yeah, and this is all about transactions, and then here it is about loans. So I hope you understood this example. Yes,
Yeah.
this is a total bank application. Inside this we have sub folders, and one folder we have for accounts, transactions, and loan. Fine. So that is like dividing the complex application into small segments. So that's it. Like bank app dividing into small segments. Yeah. That is about modularity. Now, second one we have abstraction. Yes. What is the meaning of abstraction? Already we know. Yes.
Yeah.
Abstraction means whatever the necessary things are there, that will be shown in we have to hide that implementation, like whatever is not required, hiding of or we can say which is high profile things, hiding of secure data, or securing the high profile data, or details, hiding the customer details, we can say something like that. So abstraction, with the help of these packages we can have abstraction. And when there is abstraction, then we can say security is also there. Security, highly security we have. And then fourth one, shareability. Now why, how we can get a shareability? Now let's see here. For example, this is a dot class. This is about accounts. Okay. Now this accounts I can also share, like this account file I can also share with the loan segments, this part. So that will be helpful, right? Yes or no? So I can able to share them in between with other segments. That is what shareability. And we do have fifth one is reusability. Yeah. So this is all about what advantages. So what are the advantages of the packages? Modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, and
Re, re, reusable.
usability. Yes, reusability. Correct. Now this is about these things. Now we have two types of packages. So let's see how many types we have. Can you guess what are the two types?
Static. And
First one is predefined, or we can say system defined, or we can say language specific defined. Predefined means along with the language it comes, already defined it is. And second one is we are going to define, user defined. Got it?
then
Now what is the meaning of predefined? Let's understand. So predefined, let's see. Predefined means these are defined by whom? Java programming language, Java programming language, and provided along with the software, along with the Java software. Yes.
yeah.
Now let's see what are the examples of predefined. First one is we have something called java.io package, input output package. Second one is java.util package. Third one is java.awt package. You know what is the full form of AWT?
No.
Okay. Abstract window tool.
Okay.
So by using this, we can also use any what we can call graphics, like buttons, or we can create a calculators. Okay, some applications standalone without internet.
Okay.
And we have Java X dot swing. This is bit advanced of AWT. So these are some of the, what these are, which package these are? Predefined,
Predefined.
user
Yeah.
defined.
Predefined.
Yes, these are predefined packages. Okay, fine. Nice, understood. Now let's see one by one. Small things we'll learn about each and every package. So first package is java.lang package. Have you ever heard about this?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine. So this is default package. Whenever it is a default package in Java files, okay. Whenever we are creating a program, automatically this package will be there.
Yeah.
Not if I wanted to if I wanted to make use of util package, what I do? Import, right? Import java.util star semicolon, like that we do, right?
Yeah.
So here no need of doing that. So not required to import explicitly. Okay, this is about java.lang package. It able to provide all the fundamental classes and interfaces. Okay, so it provides all the fundamental classes, interfaces, which is required for Java programming. So this is about what? Java. Now, for example, let's see some example of this. Example is we do have system. Are we are using the system class? Have you come across in the normal programming of a Java about this system?
Mm, no, like when we are using a scanner class, we use system.
No. See, how we do use system.out.println.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
We are coming across system, right? This is a
yeah,
class.
yeah.
When we are doing the print statement, printing any line or anything, we are using system.out.println. So the system is also a part of lang package. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and also we have object. Object is also a part of this. Now we do use integer, int, float, and then we do use some exception, arithmetic exception. So these are all the part of what java.lang package. Understood? Yeah. Now this is done. Now let's go with the second package. What is the second package? Java.util package. Java.util package. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of this util package? What it does? This package contains all the data structure concepts. Okay. Now for example, what are these data structure concept? Like we have list, we have vector, we have array list, stack, queue. So these things, it inbuilt methods we have, inbuilt classes we have, inbuilt interfaces we have under this package, util package. And also we do have scanner class also, right? Scanner class is also there in this util package. We do use util. Okay. So this is about util. And third one is java.io package. What is this IO full form?
Put output.
Input and output. So now let's see what exactly it talks about. So it talks about input and output operations. Yeah, it is all about input and output operations. Yeah. Now, what are the examples of this? The examples are like when we will be learning about file handling or files, then we'll come to know like a file input stream. We have file input stream, byte array input. stream, all this. These all are about that. Now, fourth one, we have something called java.awt. So what is the full form of this?
Abstract window tool.
Abstract window toolkit. Toolkit it is. So it is able to provide, it provides predefined defined classes and interfaces which are required for what to prepare GUI application. GUI, you know what is the full form of GUI?
Graphic user interface.
Like, so like calculator or any small game and all. So now what are the examples of this is like some classes we do have window, and then we have frame, we have canvas. Yes, and we do have something like list, choice. These all are it's all about Java AWT. Now you also should know about Java X dot swing. So what is this? It is something what advanced version. So it is able to provide the same thing, same same as AWT, but in advanced version. So here we do have some components like J component, J component, we have J container, we have J frame, we have. So all these are about Java X dot swing. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, now we have something more. Sixth one, Java dot SQL. This is also one package we have. Whenever we are going to discuss about the JDBC, what we are going to discuss? JDBC. You know what is the full form of this?
No.
This meaning is Java Database Connectivity. Okay. So it means with the help of this Java programming, we can able to store our data permanently in a database. Okay. That thing is actually not there in the syllabus, but I will add it from my end, JDBC concept. So in this, we will learn about the drivers and connect like statements, connectors, all this. This is all about what Java dot SQL. Now we have something called seventh one, Java dot net package. So why this is, it is able to provide, it provides predefined, everything is providing predefined classes and interfaces. This is common. Yeah, to prepare distributed application. You know what is the meaning of distributed application?
Like it's shared one.
Sockets. Now, distributed application means when we have a client server architecture. So one client will be there, like for example, if you are operating with a website. Okay, now is this website, can the website be, can it run without internet? No, right? But distributed application means it should able to run with the it can run with the two things, like with the internet and without internet also. So we have some applications, right? Like Netflix, if you download and keep, we can able to see, watch the
And
video. Yes.
offline, yeah, we can do.
Now examples of this is socket, we have URI. It is all about networking, URL, IP addresses, all those. Now we also have something like java.text. Now what is this java.text? It provides classes and predefined classes and interfaces to provide what internationalization services. It is provide what it provides internationalization internationalization service in Java application. Now, what are the examples of it is number format, date format. Okay. Done. Now, this is all
Mhm.
about. So, how many packages we have seen in total? Let's see what are the names of it. Can you just tell me the names of the packages?
Java.lang, Java.util,
Hmm.
Java.io, Java.awt,
Hmm.
Java.swing, Java.sql, JDBC,
Uh,
Java.net, Java.text.
Perfect. So, all how many packages we have seen? Eight.
8.
Eight packages we have seen. Fine. So this is all about what all different packages. You also we have just gone through it. Now we'll go with the user defined.
So we have many, but all these 8 are important or what? Yeah.
No, as of now, no need. Like if you wanted to go with a text internal like a date and format, then we can go with that. And if you are working on networking and you are very much interested in the URL like website and all, then we can go with the net. And JDBC, as I said, if we are going to store permanent data in the database, then we can go with the SQL. So SQL will use. So in this, these things we are not using as of now, JVX and AWT. So mostly what we use is util package, and this anyhow, no need to explicitly involve this, so it's okay. Mainly we are going to use util package, IO package, and SQL. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now, what is the meaning of user defined package? Can you say?
Like we are defining
Yeah.
new
Are
package.
uh, these are defined by whom? By the developers as per their application requirements. Okay. Now, to declare to declare user defined package, we will use a keyword. Package, we use a keyword. What is the keyword? Can you say? So the
Mm.
keyword is package. Okay. Yes. So we do use package as a keyword. Package. Okay. So we'll see one example of this so that you will understand what is how it is working. Now we have one question here. What is the question is it possible to provide more than one package? Is it possible? Now, let me also walk you through what is the package exactly here. Mhm. The moment you can see this Bharat.
Mm.
Can you tell what is this Bharat? This one.
Package.
No, this is a project.
Okay, sorry.
In the Bharat, again I have written here bharat.com, right? This is
Yeah.
my package. Under this package, I have all this. These are our classes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I am closing in this, if I wanted to create one more package, see, I have to just go here and I need to create a package here. So now, for example, packages where I can have a collection of classes. So I can create something like Java, or I can create something if we are working on GUI, or for example, Java. I'm just wanted to create. So another package got created, yes or no? So this is a Java package. This is a Bharat.com package. Here we can write this names. So here we have project. These two are packages. Now this Java package is empty now as of now. We can create a classes like that. We can delete it also. Now you got a still little understanding, right, about this?
Yeah.
Huh. So what is the question here is, the question is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Understood what is the question is? Now see, this is a declaration only, right? Why I am writing this? Because it is automatically coming, because in this package only I am creating a class. Yeah.
Mm.
So what is the question is, instead of one, can we take multiple packages name? So it is not recommended. It is, the answer is absolutely no. We cannot. Yeah, so the answer is no. No. Answer is no. It is not. It is not possible. More than one package declaration, because it is not possible. Let's understand because. Why? Because the package declaration statement must be first statement first statement in the Java files. Okay, if we provide more than one package declaration, so it will be in a confused status, right? So package declaration statement must be first. So what it is saying is, whatever this is there, it should be the first. Before this, we should not write anything. Like if I'm writing import java dot util package, then it is showing me error. Yes or no? So what it is the error? It is syntax error, package on token package import expected. Okay. So see, this is giving me error. It means this line should be top. First line, it should be in any file. Understood? This should be top. This is the first line or first statement in any Java file. Okay. If we are creating a package, then package should be the first top priority. First line it is. So if we are writing multiple of packages, now for example, if I'm just now I have created this Java, right? I deleted it. I will create once again. New inter sorry, interface, not interface. What I have to create? I have to create package. Now once I'm creating a package, for example Java is done. Now can I also write this Java package Java in this? So let's see, package Java. That's it, right? So it is giving me error. What it is? Multiple markers at this line. So it is giving me wrong errors. Understood? Yes. Yes, Bharat. Up to here, you understood, right?
Yes.
So what we can say is, what we can do is, we cannot give multiple package declaration. Why we cannot give multiple declaration? Because package statement should be the top first line. Now after this, to import packages, we have to use a keyword. Which keyword we have to use? Now,
Import.
correct. Import. Import is a keyword which we are going to use. Fine. Now, for example, how we are going to? We have two ways. We have two ways to import. Two ways. One is, we can directly use like this. Import. Sorry. Import Java dot util dot star. It means what? Everything is getting imported, right? Everything means what? All the members in the package gets imported. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because of the star, everything like a scanner, all the data structure, all the interfaces, all those. Now that is one thing. Now one more thing is, if I wanted import java dot util dot, if I wanted to only use one class, scanner class dot, that's it, scanner. So can we do like this? Yeah. So only we wanted to, we don't want everything. We just wanted only scanner. Yeah. So this is what, only one class gets imported. Got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So up to here we have seen now. Now let's see, is it possible to use classes and interfaces of a particular package without importing any respective package? So what I'm saying is, one more question. This is another question. The question is it possible to use classes and interfaces, classes and interfaces of particular package without importing the respective package? Yeah, what would be your answer? You understood the question first?
Yeah. It is.
Means, what I mean to say is, for example, java dot util dot star I don't want to use. Without using this, can I make use of the scanner class? That is what the
Mm,
question is. Means, is it possible to use classes and interfaces without importing the package? Can we use? So
yes.
the answer is yes, by using what? Fully qualified names. Yes, but we have to use fully name, fully qualified names. Okay, names of the class or interface. So total name we have to use full name. Then it is possible. Yes.
Yes.
Now let's create our own package. Now one package I'm going to create, like one package. In that package I'm just going to write one class. Okay, so let's see that. Already we have one package, but let me create a new one. Okay. Mhm. This I'm deleting. Okay. So I'm just creating one more package here, src package. Now, for example, this time today I'm creating that employee package, employee, em, employee details. So what is the name of my package? Let me keep it as simple em, employee dot details. Okay. So what is my package name?
Em-
Yeah. Now in this, I will just create one class. The moment I click here, here you can see that source folder, Bharat. Source folder is a project. Package is employee details. Now class name. So class name is EMP or employee. EMPLO. Employee. Employee. Okay. I'm just creating employee class. Yes. So two things are there here. What are those? This is my class. Yes. And this is my package. Got it?
yes.
Now what we will do is inside this we are going to create a, this is already class is there. Now inside this I'm going to take a members, class members. So what I need to do is for employee, what are the things we have? Int id is there. Now name is there, string name, and what is float, salary, and then id, name, salary. That's it. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm. So now what I will do is, now I wanted to give these names like the id, name, salary. Okay, how I wanted to get it? When the object is created, at the time I wanted to give all these details. So for that I need to take what? Constructor.
Yes.
So control space, you can see the constructor on the top line. Yes.
Employee.
So I have taken a constructor here. Now in this, what I need to do is, here I can write int id, comma, string name, comma. Again we have float, sal. That's it. Now we can use what? This keyword, this dot is equal to what? ID. This ID is getting stored in this local. So this dot name is equal to name, and then this dot sal is equal to sal. Fine. So now what I'm doing is, this is what is my plan is, whenever I'm creating an object, at that time I will pass all these things and it will store here. Yes. Now this members I created, id, name, and sal, these are the variables, and this is a constructor I created. Yes. Now after this I wanted to display, right, display the employee details. So let me create one method also. Public void get employee details, employee employee details. Now here, now how to get employee details? Hmm. So what I need to write here is CISO, and here it is details of employee. Details of what? Employee. Now here CISO, and then here I'm just drawing a line here. Now CISO. Yeah, what I can write here is ID, employee ID. So how we can write is plus. What is the ID? It is just ID we can write here. Yeah. Same thing. See, so now here name,
Name.
EMP name, employee name, and here it is plus name. See, so hmm. Now here what I need to do, salary, salary, now plus sal, done. So nothing is there to print more. Fine. So in this class, what I have written, am I writing any main method here? Right. I have not written any main method. Yes or no?
Huh?
In this any main method I have written?
No.
No. So what I have, what are the things is there? One is class, employee class is there. Yes. Another one is this variables are there, and this is a constructor. And to display, we have what method. That's it. Fine. Now I will create another package. From that package, I will call this package. Is it possible? Let's check. So one more package I'm creating. Main package. I can just write here. It is main dot package. Sorry, I'm creating a class, right? Create a package. Main package. Here it is. Main dot package dot. Oh, package I should not write. Main EMPLO employee pack. So pack means we can understand it is package. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what I have done is I have created what main package. One package I created. Now in this I need to do what? One class I have to create. Okay. So class, and this name I can write what? Test package. Test package. Okay. So now what is there in this main dot, this is what the package which I created recently, and this is a class. So in this what I need to do, I need to write a main method. From here I need to operate that main. It's not coming. Main method main. Oh no, what happened? Anything wrong? Hmm, main method, here it is. Okay, I got it. So main method. Now you just tell me whose object I have to create here.
No.
Yes.
But
Do I create the object of this test package? No, right? I have to
no.
create the object for this class only, na? EMP.
Yeah, employee.
EMP, because everything is there in EMP only. So EMP object I have to create. So for to create a EMP object, what I need to do? EMP. So now the moment you are writing this, just you have to press control space. What you have to press?
Control space.
Yeah, the moment you press control space, you will check employee details, something like this. It is coming. Once you press that, what happened? Something happened.
Yeah.
Import. It has taken directly import statement. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So here, this means we are. It automatically popped up. So we are importing. What we are importing? The package with the class name. Directly with the class name we are using, we are importing the package which is having what it is having, all the details package. Okay, so which package it got imported? Employee dot details dot employee. So what is the package name here?
Employee dot details.
This is a package name, employee dot details. It got imported here in the main dot employee pack, employee dot details and dot employee. Okay, now let's create an object. We already know how to create an object. Employee emp is equal to new and then employee, and again control space, and it is giving us because we have some parameters, right? So just enter it, and these parameters you have to write. What is the first parameter? Employee ID 1017. Employee name, for example, Bharat, and then salary, for example, $45,000. Yeah. Now semicolon. But there is a problem. What is the problem? Bharat, it is a name and it should be in double quotes. Yes.
Yeah.
Huh. Now, once we are creating this object, by the creation of the object, these has to be get stored where here. It has to come here and store in this ID, and this ID is a it's coming from out, so this has to be stored in this local one. So that is the reason we are writing this. Once it is getting stored, now what we have to do, we just need to call it method. So how to call the method? With the object reference emp dot,
Emp dot.
and what is the name of the method is get employee details. That's it.
Yes.
So now let's execute this and check whether it is working or not. We got it,
Yeah.
but I can see lines are also there. See total employee details of employee ID, employee like name, and then salary. But it is not giving us space, right?
Yeah.
Giving here space, here also some space, here also some space. Now let's see. Mhm. Now it is okay.
Yeah.
Employee ID, we got some space here. Yes. So hope you understood this.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
once again I'm briefing out.
Yeah. Okay.
So we have created one package. Yes.
Yes.
Employee details, with the name of this employee details, we created one package. Then
Okay.
in that package, I created one class employee. Here I have given some variables. Okay, declaration. So these things I'm going to use in my throughout the program. So I given these declarations in the string of float. Okay, and I
Okay.
have used one constructor. You know what is the work of constructor? Whenever the object is created, it is initialized. So after this, I wanted to create what display this. So for display, we have created one method. This is a method.
So here, like, we use this keyword, right? Without that, how can we use that? Like,
Without that means you can use different ones. Like for example, int is there, right? Int ID. So here you can use different variables. Yeah. So for example,
yeah.
ID is there. You can use something like IDD, something else. So I wanted just to try it once. Without this, can we also get the same results or not? Okay. Just once you try by yourself once and check whether it is working or not. Can we without this also can we achieve it or not? So this dot id means current class, like a current member. This means same class id it is referring. Okay, and
Okay.
this id means what? This is the id of local. It is only up to here only the. So what it is having a local scope. So that id, whatever the number it is having, that is getting stored in this id. So this id means what? It is pointing to the id which is there in the class. So now, for example, this is your task. You can take this today's task. You can separate it and try without using this. Can we achieve it or not? Okay. Yeah. Now we have done this. Now again, we have created one more package, separate package in the same project, and we what we have done. We have imported another package with a class. So can we also do like this? Dot star. Will it work? Yes, it is
Yeah.
working because dot star. I told you, right? In the import, we have two ways. One is dot star. Another one is the same class.
Okay.
This is done, and here this the main purpose of this test package class is to create a main method and to create an object. With the help of object reference, we are calling this method. That's it, and we are passing these values. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one application. This is one small application by using what packages. Hope you understood with here with the practical. Now once you try this, you can get some confidence and you can do this. Any doubts?
No. Yeah.
Huh?
No. Good.
uh,
I'm
okay. So understood, right? And I'm going to share this all. Okay, so that's it. Let me off this recording.